Okay, so members, today I'm going to see how we define or how we determine the locus of such complex numbers. So remember, if we have our z equal to this, the argument of z is the argument of this, which we say it's always the tan inverse of the imaginary over the real. So we also need to determine, to express this into the real part and the imaginary part. Of course, z can't be, so that's why we let our z be. So we let our z be x plus I y. Putting there, I have and now of x plus I y minus 2 minus 4I equaling to pi over 4. Now so that I can express this into real and imaginary. So this will be now and of x minus 2, the real, then plus I into y minus 4. Then remove I and I here, that's what I get, equaling to pi over 4. Now here is that it's in the real and the imaginary. And we said if you have the real part and the imaginary part, like here you have the real and the imaginary, the arm of the whole of this is tan inverse of the imaginary over the real. So now this will be tan inverse of the imaginary, which is y minus, for the imaginary part is this, over the real, x minus 2 equaling to pi over 4. Now when I take down this side, I have y minus 4 over x minus 2 equaling to tan pi over 4. So from there, remember to see tan pi over 4 is the same as 1 tan pi over 4 is the same as 45 degrees, and tan 45 degrees is 1. Cross multiplying, we have y minus 4 equaling to x minus 2. Taking everything the other side, so my y will be now x, now plus 2. Now we need to start to describe it. We describe a line using the gradient and intercept. So describe it, we say locus is a line, is a line with gradient. You start its gradient is 1, and the gradient is 1, and intercept 2. To sketch it, now to sketch it is that if I have y equal to x plus 2, I need the intercepts. When x is 0, so that y is 2. And when y is 0, so that x is negative 2. So you come and you sketch it there. You start, you have the points you have 0, 2. So assuming this is my 2, you have 0, 2 as a point. And negative 2, so assuming this is my negative 2, then 0. So you start it's a line, so you sketch it like that. Now when I come to the second, I still let z be this, so we have now arc of x plus iy plus 1 less 5 over 3. So now I express it into the real and imaginary. So my arc of this will be now x plus 1 then plus y I less 5 over 3. So if I have arm of this, we say this will be now tan inverse of the imaginary over the real. Our real part is this is imaginary. Using this idea, less than 5 over 3. Taking down the other side, I have y over x plus 1 less than 5 over 3. And so that tan pi over 3 is y. X plus 1 less root 3. Cross multiplying is that what we have is y less root 3. When I multiply this, I get root 3x, then plus this and this root 3. So now we need to get the intercepts. So now to describe this, we say it's a locus with gradient, so it's a line with gradient root 3, this is the gradient, so this is the gradient, intercept root 3 also. This is the gradient root 3 and also the intercept is root 3. So to sketch it, you say when x is 0, so your y will be root 3. I want the points, so this is the point 0, root 3, and then when y is 0, so that my x will be negative 1. When I take this side, x will be negative 1, set the point, negative 1, 0. So to sketch them, you just come and put them on your diagram like this. 0 root 3 is somewhere here. Actually, this is root 3. 0 root 3. Then negative 1, negative 1, 0. Negative 1, 0 is somewhere there. And so that now, because this is unequal, I use a solid line passing through this point and this point. So I use now a broken line because of this inequality. Like this. Now, if you want to sketch to get the wanted gradient and so on, you get a point and you paste there, and so on. So remember, that's how we describe and that's how we handle these types of locus. I wish you the best.